Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Amazon and purchase history. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and go ahead to your Google browser or your let's say your Safari browser, right? And now in order to to delete your account on your Amazon, go to the close your account on Amazon page and then sign into the account that you want to close. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and then choose the reason why you're closing your account from the drop down menu. So I'm going to demonstrate. First of all, I want to delete the purchase history, then I want to close my account. So basically I'm going to just click my account at the top right here, or click your name at the top right, and then just go ahead and click view your orders right here, and basically you're gonna be able to see all of your orders. And I'm gonna just see right here buy again, click here to see more. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the three dots next to the product, and then I'm gonna just click remove this item, right? And basically now I remove that item and they won't recommend it again, and you will be able to you will be able to remove that buying history or the purchase history from that from your browser, from your Amazon purchase history. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the three dots, click my name at the top right again, and then just go ahead to your account and click next to it see all. And here in the see all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down, and then click right here close your Amazon account. And then please read this carefully. You are about to submit a request for us to permanently close your Amazon account, and then select the reason why you're you want to delete your account. If you want to proceed, your customer profile, including your reviews, discussion posts, and all of the subscriptions and businesses will be deleted. So basically you'll be able to know that even Kindle or Audible, you will be able to get access to it, right? So basically scroll a little bit down and then click yes, I want to delete my account, and then choose the reason why, which is optional, and just go ahead and click close my account. And then you're gonna file like a request for Amazon to actually delete your account. And then read the last article. Please be advised that Amazon is legally required or entitled to retain some of types of data, such as order history. We do this in line with the applicable laws, including for tax and accounting and fraud prevention purposes. And then just go ahead and confirm that you want to close your account, and then confirm your password with it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.